Hey, ciao ragazzi. Hello guys. Today, fettuccine, asparagus and shrimp. Let's go. Okay guys, today is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day in Miami. We're here at Borti Pasta. We're here to present another pasta. Okay, this is a winner. Everybody loves this pasta. It's simple, very, very simple. We have few ingredients: asparagus, shallots, garlic, shrimp already peeled, prezzemolo italiano, parsley, Italian parsley, extra virgin olive oil, and the pasta. Okay, let's start by slicing the shallots. There we go, don't be afraid. There we go. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, guys. Add the shallot. There we go. We let it cook for 30 seconds. All right, now turn the fire off. And we're gonna put one garlic inside, like that. Next step, guys, the asparagus. This part is really soft, this part is very hard. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cut off this part. I'm gonna throw it away. Then I'm gonna chop this. And we're gonna leave the hands there. Back to our sauce here. Add some olive oil. Okay. And we're gonna put the asparagus inside, okay? We're gonna our pasta is boiling. We're gonna put our salt inside, sea salt from Italy. Perfecto, ocean, beautiful. Now is the time for the wonderful fettuccine. Look at this. Oof. Okay, while the pasta is cooking about 3 to 4 minutes, we're gonna go back to our sauce and we're gonna add the shrimp. This is for one person. So I'm gonna put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shrimp for one person. That's good. And then at this point, some vino bianco. Et voila. Don't forget your head. You can add them now. I'm gonna do a little twist to this pasta, right? So I thought about putting some turmeric or curcuma, like we say in Italy, that I'm gonna add right now. And I think turmeric is fantastic with shrimp. Some olive oil, some more water. This is just a twist I did at the end. At this point, some black pepper. Wow, wonderful, look at this. Our pasta is almost ready. We are ready to transfer the pasta into the sauce. Remember our parsley? Now it's time to add some parsley. All right, bing, boom, bang again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's pasta. It's ready. Let's go. Put the shrimp on top, and we're gonna put the sauce. Extra virgin olive oil and some parsley. Fettuccine with asparagus, shrimp, and the last touch of turmeric, okay, that give that beautiful yellow color. All right, the pasta's ready. Can't wait to eat it. I love the color, you know. I love this yellow color, but the smell of the asparagus and the turmeric, this is fantastic. Let me do it with one shrimp here. Look at this. Very good. Come and see me at the Borti Pasta Bar in Miami to try one of those pasta. We make this every day. We only close on Monday, but just come and visit us. Borti Pasta Bar in Miami. Ciao.